stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 35, 35. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 35, 35. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing 34 plus 35. It's by Ariana Grande. We're gonna use the capo for this, but we're using basic chords. So just put your capo on fret number 5 and make sure guitar doesn't start tuning. And we're playing the following chords. First chord is a D minor. Can you stay up all night? And then we go to G. Fuck me till the daylight. And then C. Na 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 na. 34, 35. That's A minor. G. And then we start over again. So that's D minor. Na 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 na. G. Na 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 na. C. Na 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 na. A minor. G. And then so that G is just a transition between A minor and starting the new bar. And all the bars are the same for the verse. Of course, we're using the same chords. So let's do that one more time, okay? So now I'm plucking strings 4, 3, 2, 1, and then for G, I'm plucking strings 6, 4, 3, 2, and then for C, I'm plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2, and then for A minor, I'm plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2 again, and then G, we just use the same 6, 4, 3, 2, okay? Can we stay up all night? With me till the daylight. 34, 35. And that's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any chords that I use here that you're not familiar with, do check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords so you can learn them there. Come back to this video for your progressions. Otherwise, that's been it for this video. Do leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Peace.